Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a smoked winged liner with glitter. I did this look earlier today, but unfortunately I didn't film it, so I'm going to try to do everything I did earlier today and hopefully it comes out the same. Crossing our fingers. So starting off, I'm gonna just be applying eye cream because lately my eyes have been really dry. I'm using the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment, the avocado one. I'm going to be taking my concealer, the one closest to my skin tone, and using that to conceal and prime my lids. So we're going to be taking our black liner pencil and creating a wing using the tape to guide us. Oh, before I even do that, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte powder, blotting powder. Mine is looking very nasty. Taking a clean brush, clean fluffy brush, dipped it in here, and setting our lids. Now we're going to be taking our pencil and creating that wing liner. And I'm going to stop about right here. I think that's ugly. That's okay. Now we're going to be taking the gel liner from Morphe. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the eyebrow brush with the gel liner in it, and I'm just going to get any gaps that I missed. Then we're going to be taking the Morphe 18T palette. I am part of the Glam Fam and I do have a code. It's GlamFam547. You get $5 off any purchase $10 or more, so there you go. I'm going to also be taking some brushes that Morphe sent me. So I'm going to be taking the M431 brush. This is a really nice smudging brush, as well as M562 brush. Unfortunately, I did not wash this. This is exactly how it looked like this morning. I'm going to be stepping into the palette and I'm going to be taking this really nice chocolate shade. So you can use any shade that's like one shade deeper than your contour, and blending it into the brown. What? No, blending it into the liner. I'm sorry, yeah. Okay, now that we're looking like that, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, the one closest to my concealer. I was going to say skin shade, but then I caught myself. And I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush from the Makeup Shack. This is a T4 brush. Tapping it and just blending it into my crease. Now that we've established that, we're just gonna go ahead and do it all over again. Yep, it's just the process of repeating. I'm going to be taking the NYX Glitter primer. I don't know if you guys can see it over here, but my concealer, I'm not sorry, the shadow kind of separated as I was applying the glitter primer, and usually I would get sad, but we're applying glitter over it, so you won't even be able to see it, so that's a win. I'm going to be applying my pigments and my shimmers. The first one we're going to apply is the pigment. This is the white gold pigment by Midas Cosmetics. I do have a code with them. Look, I'm just out here with codes. I'm trying to get y'all with the now, like I want y'all to be on the same shit I'm on. All my friends win. I do have a code with them. It is BFT Post, just as my name, and I believe you get either 15 or 20% off at checkout. I'm gonna put the percentage and everything. I have to, go back, but I believe it's something around there. So we're going to be taking the white gold pigment and applying it on the lid. I just used the same brush I used to apply the primer. Child, my camera does not want to focus today. Then we're going to go on to the glitter. This is the glitter in Champagne Toast. My favorite thing from Midas is like hands down their glitters. I have so many of their glitters. I love it so freaking much. Like, I used to get my glitters from the dollar store, y'all. The dollar store. I leveled up. And what I like to do is I like to mix the glitter with the pigment. I just put it on top of the caps, and I have like a shit ton of shimmering glitter. I love it. I was kind of scared. I'm scared of myself. Moment of truth. You guys ready? Perfect. Okay, this is looking... Focus. Thanks. This is looking okay, not exactly, but just like I pictured it in my head. Beautiful. Now we're going to be doing the under eye. The under eye is pretty simple. I'll be taking your retractable pencil, and first you're going to be lining your waterline with it. That's the easy part, and I'm going to stop halfway here. I'm going to be applying it at the bottom. You can be as messy as you want because we're just going to be concealing our under eye anyway, and then stopping there. You're going to be taking your smudgy brush, but yeah, we're practically done with the eyes, if I'm being honest. Now I haven't talked about this product on my channel at all, but the Milk Kush mascara, I have like the trial size because I got this in a birthday gift. It's so good. Now we're just gonna move on to lashes. I don't know where these lashes from, but my sister sells them. Oh wait, then I do know where it's from because my sister sells them. Zoom out. Zoom back in. Damn, the backdrop. As we're waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to do my lips. You guys, I had to refill my my outro or my exit. I don't really know because I was not wearing earrings. And that's nasty. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It works with the earrings. I had to come back and wear the earrings. I'm sorry. Okay, bye.